In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable cookies in Chrome. If you want to manage how websites store data in your browser, Chrome gives you a few simple cookie settings to choose from. This can be useful if you're trying to improve privacy, reduce tracking, or make sure certain websites work the way they should. I'll walk you through exactly where to find these options and explain what each setting means so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu where you'll find access to the browser's settings and other tools. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls related to your browsing data, website permissions, and tracking preferences. Next, click on third-party cookies. This is the area where Chrome lets you decide how cookies from other websites are handled. Third-party cookies are often used for advertising, tracking, and personalization across different sites, so changing this setting can have an impact on both privacy and convenience. Once you're there, select the behavior that works best for you. If you choose Allow Third-Party Cookies, Chrome will keep all cookies enabled. This usually gives you the most seamless browsing experience because websites can remember preferences, keep you signed in, and load personalized content more easily. However, it also allows more cross-site tracking. If you choose Block Third-Party Cookies, Chrome will disable tracking cookies from other sites while still allowing first-party site data to function normally. For many people, this is a good balance between privacy and usability since the websites you visit directly can still work properly, but outside trackers are limited. You may also see the option to block all third-party cookies in incognito. This is the standard setting for more private browsing and mainly blocks tracking cookies when you use incognito mode. It's helpful if you want additional privacy during private sessions without changing how Chrome behaves during normal browsing. After you select your preferred option, Chrome saves the change automatically, so there's no need to click a save button. If a website is already open, you may want to refresh the page or reopen the site so the new cookie setting takes effect properly. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable cookies in Chrome and choose the level of privacy and functionality that works best for your browsing.